My name is Crystal Hill and this is Terry Taylor, and we are going to present our collaboration assignment for SE 301.
We have chosen second grade mathematics as our subject, and our co-teaching method will be one teach, one assist. We will take turns alternating lead teacher and assistant teacher.
Okay guys, today you can see that I've written on the board 4 numbers. We've got 870, 708, 807, and 780. What I want for you to do first is in your math journals, I want you to write the smallest number and I want you to write the biggest number, okay?
Look at this number. How many hundreds do you have in that number? We have 7 hundreds. Do we have a number on the board that has more hundreds than that? Page 200. No more hundreds. Good job. Okay. Which one has out of the ones that have 800, we have 870, 807. Which one has more tens? Good job. So which one has our smallest number of hundreds? Which one? Which one of those is the smaller one?
Does anybody need a little more time? Are we all finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I want you to do now is just to take a moment to discuss your largest numbers and your smallest number with your classmates. Just take a few minutes and then we're going to discuss it out loud, okay?
Okay, so I got 708 for the smallest number, and then I got 870 for the greatest number. Is that what you got? I got 870 for the biggest number, and 708 for the smallest number. Right.
Okay. Let's see here. Bethany, could you tell me what your smallest number was?
708.
Okay. Everybody else think so?
Yeah?
Okay. Let's see. Hey, Mackenzie,
Yes?
could you tell me what the biggest number was?
870?
How did you get that?
Miss Taylor helped me.
How did you get the answer though? Did you look at your hundreds place and then your tens place? Okay, great job you guys.
Alright, girls. Now that we've looked at our 3-digit numbers and we've kind of guessed at which ones are our biggest and our smallest, we're going to look at something that can help us compare two numbers. Do you remember when we were using our 2-digit numbers and we used 10 sticks to represent tens and we used our dots to represent our ones? If I had 2 10 sticks, I would have 2 tens, and 4 dots would give me 4 ones, so I would have 24. When we talk about 3-digit numbers, we are going to use hundred squares. They don't have to be perfect squares, just draw a square and color it in. And that square is going to tell you that you have 100, okay? So if I go back to some of those numbers you had, and we look at the number 708. How many squares would I have? How many hundred squares would I have, Bethany? 7. Because 7 is in my what place? My hundreds place. So we would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many 10 sticks would I have? Mackenzie?
8.
I would have 8 10 sticks. Why? Where do you see that 8?
There.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Is this my tens place?
No.
What place is this, Mackenzie?
Ones.
My ones place. So Mackenzie, what do I use to model my ones?
Polka dots or hearts?
Well, we use dots. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. How many tens am I gonna have? What number is in my tens place?
0.
Good job, Mackenzie. We have 0 in our tens place. So if I'm modeling 708, I have 7 squares and I have 8 dots. Okay? Let's look at another number real quick. Let's look at 818. How many hundred squares am I going to have? Mackenzie?
1.
1? Here's my 1. Is it in my hundreds place? Where is my 1?
10.
So what does that 1 tell me? I'm going to have 1 what?
10.
And how do I represent my 10?
Sticks.
1 stick. Good job, Mackenzie. Bethany, how many hundreds am I going to have?
8.
8. And how do I represent my hundreds? Squares. So I have, you just excuse my squares because they're a little sloppy. I have 8 squares, 800 squares. I have 1 10 stick. What do I have left?
8 ones.
8 ones.
So
Very
8
good.
dots.
Very good, Mackenzie. Okay, so does everyone get the idea of how we're going to model? Okay, I'm going to write a few numbers on the board, and I want you to model those numbers in your math journal.
Yeah.
What about the little ones?
Yeah, so how many should you have there?
0 dots.
That's right. Great job.